eyes all of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart.
Yo, yo, what's going on? I'm in the Nissan and I'm off to get it rolling roaded. So I'm gonna put it on the dyno and see where we end up. What do you guys think? Wikipedia says 231 out of a naturally aspirated manual JDM Nissan 300 ZX. So the Z32, this is a 1993, like I said, JDM, so it's actually a Japanese car. Anyway, I'm on my way to AllMotion in South London, Mitcham, from Southwest London. It's something like 5 miles. I've been on the road 28 minutes and it says I've got another 20 to go. So welcome to London. That's it. So anyway, on our way, let's go. Oh, by the way, it's raining and I've got a jacket on. I think summer's over. Typical summer in London. All right, let's go.
I was like, no, it's next door, shut you, dude.
Rick, M5.
Something.
What's the power according to Wikipedia? We're going by Wikipedia numbers.
Wikipedia is 394.
394.
About 367 foot-pounds, I think.
What do you reckon it'll make?
About 1,000. No, I don't know.
What do you reckon it'll make?
No, to be honest, yeah, I haven't got a clue. Like, I've done the intakes, done exhaust.
So 500.
Nah.
No,
I reckon.
Well,
I'll be. You know what? To be honest, I'll be happy if it is 400.
400.
Yeah.
All right, let's go 400. Joey, what do you reckon it'll hit?
I reckon about 420.
420.
Easy.
I reckon 450 because it just looks fucking mean. Not gonna lie, Ricky's V8 sounds sick. That M5 sounds ridiculous. When do we know what it's made?
I think it's in the comments.
Oh right, we're gonna find out. Drum roll. Is this the real one? What did he say? But what were we expecting for?
That's what this is standard build.
So that's at the wheels or the track?
At the track. So at the wheels.
Can they tell you?
But they made a lot more torque than this. Then.
Oh really?
Yeah. The standard 370 foot car. I think they're 400.
Boom. 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 Yes, yes. Go now. Oh mate, it took me fucking 40 minutes to get here and I'm around the corner.
Look past the house thing, actually.
Oh, the A3? Yeah.
I was like, it doesn't feel like the right way.
No, wait, it is.
It was so busy.
You should have said I would have waited and would have come. Because I only got here about 10 minutes ago. So Ryan Garage Midnight is here with his E30. So I think he wants to just find out what's pulling, but jeez, you see that M6 just go by.
So the thing about it being smart is the fact that you take the pin out to whatever.
Yours, you know, to where just before the end, yours just sounds amazing.
In it goes. Oh, sounds good. Some of the JDM shit.
What are you into then?
Not sure it likes full lock too much, but almost full lock. We made it, we're good, I forgot to look, to be honest. Golden, like a glove. Yeah. Boys and girls, the moment of truth. It's on the ramp. So let's see how we get on. I reckon about 180 to 190, 195, 231 Wikipedia spec. We'll see.
We made a little bit more, but when I put it on a load area, it sort of boiled down to 198, but the torque went up, so it's healthy, really. It's sort of lost power over this year, but then they never were factory anyway.
No, I don't think the non-turbos were never factory, but the turbos were always way over.
So, yeah, and they were always under, about 15% under. So,
yeah, they were always shit from day one, so I'm happy with that.
They're really like, even as well. All
really?
3 runs, they're really
nice,
even. So yeah,
nice.
5%. So yeah, so nice.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Someone should tell him to put the pop-ups on. Nah, no, you're good, you're good. If you come out in one go, you'll be fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Donut time, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
You don't have that. Do this and do that. No.
It's not a risk you want to take. What's the other bell out in the time? Nowadays, kind of like.
Yes, guys, so tonight is done. The runs were done, sick. The car made 198 at the wheel, so I'm actually really happy with that. Sick. I've got whatever. I got my print out and all that stuff, but yeah. Big up to the guys at AllMotion here in Mitcham in South London for putting this night on, and they're going to be putting a few more on, so I got to put a new math, a new filter, and see how the car performs. But apart from that, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in a bit, guys. Bye.